Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fiverr app you click on settings. Then here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you search about the application of Fiverr and you click here. In this page of app info you will go to Forcestop and you will click OK. And here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.